Ms. Rosna Booth, Executive Director of the ASEAN Regional Mine Action Center, distinguished representative from ASEAN Member States, partners and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all. It's a profound honor to join you virtually today at this wrap-up event for the Victim Assistance Program in ASEAN Member States. This gathering marks a significant milestone, the successful conclusion of a program that has touched countless lives and exemplified the true spirit of partnership between ASEAN and the Republic of Korea. Let me begin by extending my sincere gratitude to the ARMAC, in particular Executive Director Ms. Rosna Booth. Your dedication, expertise, and tireless effort in implementing this vital program has been truly instrumental. From its inception in November 2020 to its completion this August 2025, ARMAC has navigated complex challenges to deliver essential assistance to UX victims in the region and to achieve the targeted goals of this program. This program, supported by ASEAN-Korea Cooperation Fund, represents a tangible commitment from the Republic of Korea to address critical humanitarian needs within the ASEAN region. For nearly 5 years, we have worked hand in hand to alleviate the sufferings caused by landmines and UXOs, providing crucial support to the victims. The impact of this program is not measured in statistics alone, but in the individual stories of resilience and renewed hope, as demonstrated in the documentary of the Voice of Victims, prepared through this program, which will be screened during today's event. It is about empowering those who have faced unimaginable hardship to build their lives and rejoin their communities with dignity. This aligns perfectly with ASEAN's vision for a people-centered community where no one is left behind. The Republic of Korea is deeply committed to this vision. Our partnership with ASEAN has never been stronger, especially when the establishment of our comprehensive strategic partnership last year. This program is a shining example of how our shared values translate into concrete actions that bring positive change to the lives of real people. It embodies the humanitarian dimension of our comprehensive strategic partnership. The significant increase in Korea's annual contribution to the AKCF, now nearly doubled to $28 million, underscores our deepening commitment. We firmly believe that investing in programs like this is an investment in peace, stability, and the fundamental human rights to live free from fear and harm. As we look back at the achievement of the past 5 years, let us also look forward. The lessons learned, the networks built, and the impact achieved through this victim assistance program will serve as a foundation for future collaboration. Korea remains a steadfast partner in supporting ASEAN's effort to achieve a mine-free region and to ensure comprehensive care for all victims. My recent meeting with Executive Director Rosna Booth at my office reinforced my admiration for ARMAC's work and strengthened my resolve to explore further avenues for cooperation. To all who contributed to the success of this program, from the implementing teams on the ground to the policymakers and funders, thank you. Thank you very much. And your dedication has made a profound difference. I wish all victims continued strength, healing, and I look forward to even greater achievement in our continued partnership for a safer and more prosperous ASEAN. Thank you very much.